Right then, I hope you're doing well. What we're going to cover this week is an absolutely amazing but simple recipe from the one and only Ottolenghi Simple Cookbook. It is the roasted whole cauliflower, and all we're going to do is make an amazing little green lime and chili plant-based yogurt just to dip that in. So simple. All you're doing is par cooking the cauliflower, and because it then absorbs the water, you can then place this into your air fryer to roast without any oil. And then simply, we're gonna make a nice little sauce. You can serve this whole, or you can just put it into quarters, ready just as a starter, just to dip into the nice sauce. What I really do like is these baby cauliflowers, which you can get from most retailers. These are from Waitrose, absolutely amazing. This is so simple. All you need is your cauliflowers. And then for the green sauce, you need some parsley, Oatly creme fraiche made from oats, really nice. Green chili paste, or you can just chop up fresh green chilies, and then the lime. I'm actually going to use some of my fermented lime, which I've chopped up in advance. Absolute flavour bomb. Please check out the recipe there. It's an essential Middle Eastern hint, just like preserved lemon. Incredibly easy, so let's get going. So, I'm back, and here is your roasted cauliflower. Now, these baby cauliflowers have actually shrunk into perfect bite sizes. So, in terms of presentation, this is superb. And simply, all you can do then is create your lovely lime, herb, and green chili dip. And all you're doing is you simply, as a starter, you're dipping this into your sauce. Absolutely amazing. So, really hope you're enjoying the show. Please do subscribe. Lots of love and passion going into this. Also, make sure you turn on your notifications every fortnight on Tuesdays at 4 o'clock. Only about 5% of my subscribers actually have the notifications on, so really important. My channel is free, and I really hope that these recipes do inspire you to promote a good, healthy lifestyle. So enjoy, everyone. Take care.